So we're looking at a Mitsubishi. We've got this error message, key battery low. How we're going to change the battery on our key fob for our Mitsubishi Outlander. Okay, so this is what you'll need to replace your battery. You'll need a flathead screwdriver and you'll need a new battery, a CR2032. Therell be a link in the description if you don't have a battery yet, you want to get one from Amazon. Then that's a good place to get them. I'll also show you there's a little clip on the back of this, and I'll show you in a minute what that's for. But what you want to do in terms of changing the battery, at the end of your key fob you'll see there's a small slot where you can put your screwdriver in, and you just twist the screwdriver and it clips, and here you go, your key fob opens like this. Here you can see your battery. You need to make sure when you put the new battery in it's the right way up. Do watch to the end, there's a free gift for watching to the end. But again, pop your screwdriver in there, just twist that so the battery comes loose. So that's without the battery, and just get your new battery, slide it under. There's sort of two areas here where it fits under, and it just fits back like that. And then what you want to do is just clip the two halves of your key fob back together. So line them up, give them a press, it clips, and it's done. Now, quick tip as well, if your battery goes flat and you can't get in your car, then that's what this is for. So there's a tab on the back there, pull that to one side, and here is your secret key, as it were, so at least you can still get into your car. I don't know if you can start the car with a key, but at least you can get into your car, and that just slides back in there. Like I said, there's a free gift. Go to thanksforwatching.com for a free gift, but give me a thumbs up and like and comment, and I'll see you on the next video.